AC port plug. A 125-volt power inlet socket with an integrated 6-foot outdoor extension cord for a car, boat, marine, truck, trailer, pickup, RV, industrial and electrical applications. Waterproof. A rugged, waterproof AC electrical power inlet receptacle featuring a pressure-fit rubberized cover rated for outdoor use and protects against the elements. Peak performance. Rated at 15 amps with heavy-duty 14 Aruban fluorines copper wiring to maximum power flow and full-sized AC port prongs for maximum conductivity. Plug and play. A simple flush mount flanged power inlet that's easy to install, requiring zero cable modification or hand wiring, and mounts into a 2-inch hole size. Multiple uses. An outdoor extension cord designed for various uses, including onboard battery chargers, bumpers for engine block heaters, outdoor electrical outlets, and more. Top reviews from the United States. 15 AC port plug. Quick shipping and packaged well. Easy to install and works great. Very happy with my purchase.